Hi, welcome to our SQL tutorial series. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of SQL, including what it is, why it's important, and how to write your first SQL query. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of SQL fundamentals. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and it's a standard language used to communicate with databases. SQL is essential for managing and manipulating relational databases, which store data in tables. Some popular SQL databases include MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, and SQLite. Basic concepts of databases. A database is a collection of organized data. In a relational database, data is stored in tables, which consist of rows and columns. Rows represent records, and columns represent the attributes of those records. For example, a student's table might have columns like student_ID, name, and age. SQL syntax and structure. Now, let's look at some basic SQL syntax. The most common SQL statement is the select statement, which is used to retrieve data from a table. The basic structure of a select statement is select column 1, column 2 from table_name where condition. Here's a simple example. Select name, age from students who are age 18. This query retrieves the names and ages of all students who are older than 18. Practical example. Let's see this in action. Suppose we have a table called students with columns student_ID, name, and age. To retrieve the names and ages of students who are older than 18, we would write select name, age from students who are age 18. Executing this query will return a list of students who meet the criteria. Conclusion and next steps. That's it for our introduction to SQL. We've covered what SQL is, basic database concepts, and how to write a simple query. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into more advanced SQL queries and data manipulation techniques. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.